Chef Justin here, and we're back. And I'm here with Todd from Atlanta, Georgia. What's up, Todd?
Oh, it's fantastic. What a day. What a day.
Man, loving it. All right, what we got today is a Florida chopped salad bowl.
Yeah.
Now, this is a virtual cornucopia of just about everything that Florida grows. All right,
yeah.
Basil's chopped. This is gonna be some good flavor for our vinaigrette. That's going into our bowl. A little bit of olive oil, a little bit of vinegar, and a little special Everglades seasoning.
Oh,
now, for our main ingredients, our fresh Florida vegetables. We got radish, we got celery going in. We got Florida snap beans. We got Florida peppers. We got Florida carrots, Florida cucumbers, and last but not least, Florida tomatoes. All right, let's get this in the bowl.
Oh, yeah.
Then we're just gonna do a nice little quick mix. Not only is it a salad, but it is a topping.
Oh.
You've had a Chicago dog. This is a Florida dog, all right? Look at that. We're just finishing up with a little bit of pickles here. You guys hungry?
You guys hungry? Woo! Oh, look at this guy.
Here you go,
Look at
man.
that. Look at that guy.
Have at it.
Oh, here we go, guys. Get
For
you
this
one of
recipe
these.
and
Get you
many,
one
many
of
more
these
like it, go to
right here.
freshfromflorida.com.
Get you one of these right here.
Let's eat.